express 2 minus root 5 over 2 plus root 5 in the form p plus q root 5, where p and q are integers. Show clearly all you're working. Now we know we can put this in our calculator and get the answer. You'll get 0 marks though if you do that, and the examiner will not be too impressed. So you must clearly show your working. And what this is about is rationalising the denominator. So writing down the thing, we've got 2 minus root 5 over 2 plus root 5. Now you look at the denominator here and you write down the same thing, but you change the sign, whatever's here. So here we have a plus, now we have a minus. If we had a minus here, this would be a plus. Because you've got to do that to the denominator, you must also do it to the numerator. Right, multiplying out, but remember the reason for doing this is that a plus b times a minus b is a squared minus b squared. So dealing with the denominator, that's going to become, so a is 2, that's going to become 2 squared, and b is going to be root 5, so that's going to become minus root 5 squared, applying that. And then we need to do 2 times 2 minus root 5 minus 5 times 2 minus root 5. So again, doing the denominator, 2 squared is 4. If you take the square root of 5 and square it, you're going to end up with 5, and then we need to do 2 times for the numerator, 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 times minus root 5 gives me minus 2 root 5. Minus root 5 times 2 becomes minus 2 times root 5. Try to write the number first and then the root. Now, here we're going to do minus root 5 times minus root 5. So we need to remember that root a times root a is the same as doing root a, the square root of root a times root a. A times a is a squared. So if you square a and take the square root, you're going to get a. So this will just become plus, because it's minus minus, 5. Right, collecting, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, and then 4 plus 5 makes 9, minus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5 makes minus 4 root 5. Now the minus sign will change that to a minus and that one to a plus, so it becomes minus 9 plus 4 root 5, and now that's now in the correct format, p plus q root 5. So the final answer is minus 9 plus 4 root 5. So that all this working would be required for you to get the full marks for this question. So this has been a video to show you how to rationalise a surd. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.